Hello, I'm Stuart. Before we start, we want to share that this video uses AI for graphics and voice, but all the information is manually researched by our team. Here in the video, we are going to talk about Google Play Games error code 4. The error reads, "Self-protection failed." This error comes when users try to install or run Google Play Games on PC, but the installation is interrupted and the error appears. According to the research, this error likely happens due to missing admin privileges or issues with the installer itself. The first thing we suggest is to go to support.google.com/googleplay/workflow/11189842 and try the self-help option to troubleshoot issues with Google Play Games. If the error still comes, make sure you have full administrator privileges on your PC. Right-click on the installer and select Run as Administrator, then see if the error still comes. If the error still persists, try downloading the installer again directly from the official Google Play Games website and run it again. Then check if this helps with the error. Thanks for watching. This is all we have for the error. If this video helped, don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Have any questions or issues? Drop them in the comments below. See you in the next one.